Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to disable dynamic email in Gmail on your Android device. If you're not a fan of the new dynamic email feature that allows you to interact with emails without leaving your inbox, don't worry, you can easily disable it. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail app first. Open the Gmail app on your Android phone or tablet. You can find the app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Tap the menu icon. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Step 3. Scroll to Settings. From the menu, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Settings. Step 4. Choose your account. On the Settings page, you'll see a list of your email accounts. Choose the account that you want to disable dynamic email for. Step 5. Scroll to Download Attachment. Scroll down the page until you find the Download Attachment option. Tap on it to uncheck it. This will disable dynamic email for this account, and that's it. You've successfully disabled dynamic email in Gmail on your Android device. From now on, you'll have a more traditional email experience. Dynamic email can be a useful feature that allows you to take action on emails without leaving your inbox, but it can also be distracting and overwhelming for some users. By disabling dynamic email, you can customize your Gmail experience to suit your needs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.